After na, clean na siya. Ang ato kay pinaanak man. Again, moisture, what happened? Bacteria, reservoirs of bacteria. Kinanan pat, i-dry din siya. Okay? After na, balikan sa nimo ato. Para next, and then tang-tang, hand washing. Go back to your patient. Klaro ba?
Yes.
Same principles are gihapon about the transfers. Ang kanilang saon daw nato pag clean and disinfect. Clear? What else? Gutom na?
Wala pa, ma'am.
Transfers. What's next? Vital signs. Questions about vital signs. When you talk about vital signs, you have the TPR. What is TPR? T is for?
Temperature.
Okay, temperature. What are the routes for the taking body temperature? Asa man?
Auxiliary.
Axillary. Asa man? Si mouth.
Oral.
When you put the thermometer in the oral area, asa ibutang? Above the tongue or below the tongue?
Below.
Below the tongue. Okay, naay axillary, naay oral, naay
Anus.
rectal.
Oh,
What's
rex.
this? Tempane. Di ba sa mga ata? Tempane. Nasa forehead. Forehead. No? So, ang atua is usually axillary. Now, we have different types of thermometer bulbs. Dahil magkaayo, gikas lubot, imigbutan sa ayaw. Okay. Kasi na thermometer, guys.
Kanang isa.